Welcome to this video, where we will review the components of the Motoma Axpert Inverter and explain the screen symbols and menu shortcuts. Control signal ports with rapid shutdown control port. USB Type-A port for data transfer or firmware updates to the device. External BTS port, used to connect an external battery temperature sensor. BMS port, connects the battery management system. RS-232 port, a serial port used to connect devices such as computers. Reserved port for ground fault circuit interrupter and arc fault circuit interrupter detection. Dust filter, removable and washable. Photovoltaic inputs. Generator AC input, grid AC input, master output for essential loads, slave programmable smart output, grounding terminals, battery connection points, press and hold for 5 seconds to start the inverter, battery indicator, lithium battery indicator, generator AC input indicator, grid AC input indicator, MPPT 1 solar input indicator, MPPT 2 solar input indicator, master output indicator, slave programmable smart output indicator, battery charge level, battery type, battery voltage, generator AC input, grid AC input, MPPT 1 power, MPPT 2 power, master output for essential loads, slave programmable smart output, output voltage value, photovoltaic page, AC input page, battery page, home page, AC output page, internal data page, logs page, Motoma, power into the future.